Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If this is the first time you're here, I'm Tara, a family nurse practitioner that loves sharing easy to make recipes that are not only super delicious, but also healthy. For the past few weeks, we have been making better than takeout Instant Pot recipes you guys have absolutely loved. We made a sweet and sour chicken and a chicken with broccoli. If you missed either one of those episodes, I will link them in the description box below so you can check them out after this video. Today, we are making a beef and peppers dish. Guys, this recipe is so easy to make, super delicious, so fast to make. This is one of my absolute favorite dishes to order when I go to a takeout restaurant. What are some of your absolute favorite takeout dishes to order when you pick something up at the restaurant? I would love to know in the comments below. Be sure you stay all the way through the end of the video. I know you guys love those recipe cards, so there's a recipe card at the end you could take a screenshot of for easy reference. If you're excited for better than takeout Instant Pot recipes, give this video a big thumbs up, grab your Instant Pot, and let's make this delicious recipe. The first thing we're going to do is to get our beef ready. I'm using flat iron steak. This is grass-fed beef I actually purchased from the Butcher Box. If you've never tried the Butcher Box, there's a coupon code in the description box below for you to try it for yourself. And I'm slicing it very thinly. Make sure that you slice this type of meat against the grain. And it's about this thick. Then I'm just placing it inside of a bowl. And then we're going to set the bowl aside. I have this white basmati rice I picked up from Thrive Market. I love basmati rice. Use any kind of rice that you like. And I'm adding some cold water to the rice. And I know I've showed this hack before, but I wanted to show it again. I highly recommend rinsing your rice really well, at least 3 to 4 times. Now I'm adding some cold water and I'm using a 1-to-1 ratio. I'm drinking this delicious dry red. We're going to add some avocado oil. I've set the Instant Pot to saute on high, and I love this hack for getting the oil evenly distributed just by lifting up the liner and swirling it around. Once it says hot, we're going to grab our beef and add it right on in. I am not cooking this in batches because I don't feel like taking the extra step to do that. You can do that if you like, but you don't have to. And then we're adding in our dried spices. Remember, everything is going to be listed out in the description box below, as well as on that recipe card that is coming up at the end. I love using Togarashi. If you can't find this, alternatively, you could just use red chili flakes or any type of chili pepper powder. We're going to add in our soy sauce, our oyster sauce. This is a key ingredient in this dish. If you can't find oyster sauce where you are, I will link a type that you can get from Amazon in the description box below. Add in some rice vinegar as well as some water. This recipe is so quick and easy. I just love it. Once the beef is browned and you've deglazed the bottom of the pot, place in your trivet and your prepared rice. Close the lid, make sure that silicone ring is on, guys, and set it to high pressure for 4 minutes. One of my favorite things to do when I'm using my Instant Pot is to use frozen veggies. As soon as you press start on the Instant Pot, grab out the frozen veggies that you plan on using and allow them to thaw on the counter while the Instant Pot is cooking. That way, as soon as the Instant Pot is ready, you just throw the veggies in, and in only like 2 minutes, everything is ready. It's so easy and so delicious. We're going to allow 10 minutes of natural pressure. Then you're going to perform a quick release, and when the pin drops, open up the lid to our perfectly cooked rice. Remove the rice carefully. Again, it's very hot, and I'm using my Instant Pot Mini like I love using, and the bowl barely fits. Get the trivet out of there, and now we're going to throw in those frozen veggies that we have defrosted on the counter, as well as just a little bit more oyster sauce. Guys, this dish is so delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try it. The peppers are going to cook very quickly because, again, they're already defrosted. We're going to add in a cornstarch slurry. I'm actually using tapioca slurry here in this dish, make sure you set it to saute on high. This is what it looks like before it thickens. Once it thickens, it will look like this. Guys, this recipe is so quick and easy. I cannot wait for you to try it. If you enjoyed today's super easy and delicious Instant Pot recipe, give this video a big thumbs up. That way I'll know to make more recipes like it. I put together a playlist of some of my favorite Better Than Takeout Instant Pot recipes I'm gonna leave right here on the screen if you'd like to check those out. YouTube is gonna leave a video they think you will enjoy right here on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Sunday as we continue our Better Than Takeout series. Bye guys.